morning, children. Open your EVS textbooks. And open. In our last video, I teached about you property. Our property. The government are builded some public properties. Okay. Due to the facilities to all the people, general people. So now today we have to start a other point, means other lesson number 11, travel. Okay, you are traveling, you are daily coming to school. By some people are, their houses are so near, they are coming by walking, and some students, they are living in the different areas, so they are coming by auto rickshaw, different van, otherwise on with your parents on bicycles. So these all the things are travels, related to travel. Or how do you go when you want to go the other places, and some other places you want to go, that time how you are going, childrens? By using a bus, train and all the vehicles. There are so many types of vehicles are available. So here, what are the vehicles? First point is, what are the vehicles? Things that carry people. Things means which things that carry peoples and goods. Goods means luggages. The different sugar and all whatever may be there, the luggages. So peoples and goods from one place to other. They want to shift it one place from other place. That's called a vehicles. Okay, so some names of the vehicles are there. Are the different types of vehicles. Here some vehicles are written on the blackboard. Which are the vehicles, children? Here, bicycle, okay, bullock cart, next one bus, train, aeroplane, auto rickshaw, truck and boat. All these are the vehicles. Away from these vehicles, there are so many types of other vehicles are also available. So you have to write here the name of vehicle you have seen. Which vehicles you know, children? So you have to write here the name of that vehicles. Okay, write down. This is your homework on page 99. Next one on page number 100. Write the names of vehicles in the boxes which are in the following picture. So which you have to write the names of these vehicles, and if you are seeing, make it right mark there. Here bicycle you are seeing. Okay, write the name B-I-C-Y-C-A-L, bicycle. Next one bullock cart, bus, train, aeroplane, auto rickshaw, truck, horse cart, motorcycle and boat. There are different vehicles. They are given some names. Write the names with the help of your pencil. Next, turn on next page. Differentiate with right mark the vehicle in the list as fast moving and slow moving vehicle. Here two columns they are given. First one is slow moving vehicles and fast moving vehicle. Which vehicles move very slowly, you have to tick that vehicle. Which vehicle moves very fast, you have to again tick to that vehicles. Here name of the vehicle, cycle. How cycle moves, children? It is slow or fast? Will very slow. So right mark in the first column means slow moving vehicle. Next one bullock cart. Bullock cart is also a slow moving vehicle. Make it right mark again there. Bus is a fast moving vehicle. So next column right mark. Train is also fast moving vehicle. Aeroplane, fast moving vehicle. Lorry, fast moving vehicle. Horse cart here, slow moving vehicle. Motorbike, fast moving. Auto rickshaw, fast, and boat is a slow moving vehicle. Are you done this? You have to make it only right mark. Which one is fast or which one is slow moving. So on next page, here some picture they are given on page 102. So Rahim's hometown is Karwar. Where Rahim lives in a Karwar. his grandfather house in Udupi. Where his grandfather lives in Udupi. He will be now living to his grandfather's house. Now Rahim want to live to be in a grandfather house, means he is from Karwar to he want to go to a Udupi. So in which of the following vehicles should Rahim travel to reach his grandfather? We have to put right mark. Here they are given two vehicles, which are the bullock cart and bus. So Karwar to Udupi is a long distance. So which vehicle he will use? Yes, very good. He will use a bus. Okay, make it right mark here. Okay. Next picture, they are shown here a girl and a house. Which vehicle is better to Harini? Her name is Harini. To travel go to her grandmother's house in Shimoga to Tumakuru. Put right mark against the correct answer. Means Harini lives in a Shimoga and she wants to go with her grandmother's house, which is in Tumakuru. So which vehicle she will use? Other auto rickshaw, train. She will use the vehicle train. Make it right mark. Keep it in mind, children. If a small distance, maybe 3, 4, 5 kilometers distance, that time only we can use a auto rickshaw or bullock cart or horse cart. Otherwise, some long distance we have to travel, that time we have to use only bus or trains, other vehicle, not a slow moving vehicle. Means that time we have to use a fast moving vehicle. Turn the next page. Here Ramesh and John are neighbors in Kalburgi. Where Ramesh and John are living here? In a Kalburgi district. So they work in the same office. Ramesh and John, they are working in the same office. Every day Ramesh goes on a cycle and John goes on a motorbike. Ramesh goes on a cycle to the office and John goes on a bicycle. So both of them leave their houses at the same time. At the same 8 o'clock they are leaving from his houses. But which of these reaches the office early? Right mark. Into cycle and motorbike. Which one is fastest? Motorbike. So make it right mark here. They are leaving from their houses at 8 o'clock, but their reaches time is John reaches by his motorbike at the 9 o'clock and Ramesh reaches at 10 o'clock. So why? Because he is a slow moving vehicle. Cycle is a slow moving vehicle. So here next on question they are asking, write any 4 vehicles that move on land. Which are the land moving vehicles? Means the vehicle moves on a land, are called land transport. So which are the land moving? You can write a bus, car, jeep, motorcycle. All these are the land moving vehicles. Have you seen the vehicle that move on water and the names? Have you travelled in them? Water. The vehicles which moves on a water are called water transport. So which are the water vehicles? Boat, ship, steamer, yacht. All these are the water vehicles. So write here names of that vehicle. Do you know about the vehicles that move in air? Write the names of a vehicle. The vehicles which moves by air are called air transport. So which are the air moving vehicles? First one is aeroplane and helicopter, rockets. All these are the air moving vehicles. On next page, name of some vehicles are given below. Write there, they move in the following table. You have to write here some, they are given some vehicles name. This is your homework, children. Vehicles that move on land, vehicle that move on water and vehicle that move in air. There are 3 columns. First one is land vehicle, water vehicle and air vehicle. You have to write the names. Lorry, land, bus, land, cycle, land, boat, water vehicle, aeroplane, air, car, land, bullock cart, land, ship, ship in water, helicopter in air, horse cart on land, motorbike on land, steamer is water and yacht is also water vehicle. We have to write these vehicle names into the correct column. Only helicopter and aeroplane which came in air transport, water in the water, steamer, yacht, ship and boat, 4 vehicles and remaining vehicles will be land. Okay. The system of which that moves on a land are called land transport. The system of vehicle which moves on a water are called water vehicles, and system of which vehicles move in the air are called air transport. I have told some examples, some vehicles which they are moving on land, water and air. Okay, do you remember how to write the different column and that vehicles name also. So on 105 there is one, join the dots and colors, recognize the vehicle. First one is bus, is a land transport. Second one they are given aeroplane, and third one is boat. You have to match the dot and color this vehicle and write their names below that. Next page, on page number 106, vehicles and their uses are given in the following picture. Draw the lines to match this. First one here, bicycle. Who drives the bicycle here? Match lines to that man. Second one, they are given here truck. You have to match with the lorry. Truck is useful for carry the goods. And some people are stranded here. Draw the line with the bus. Next one, here they are given boat and you have to match with the boat and some peoples. So on next page, page number 107, some pictures of vehicles are given below. Mark with the circle with the vehicle that carry people. Which vehicle carry people here? Bus. Bus carry peoples. Make it circle here. Next one, mark with square if they carry luggages. Which vehicle carry luggage here? Truck. So make it square here, and mark with the triangle if they carry both. Train. Train carries both luggages and peoples also. So here last, who I am, solve the puzzles. They are given here 3 puzzles. You have to identify which are they. I can fly though not a bird. I do shine but I am not a star. Though I have wheels, I am not a car. I am very fast, but not a cheetah. Who I am? Its answer is a aeroplane. Yes, very good. Why? Because it can fly, but it's not a bird. I do shine, but I am not a star. Why? At night time, see, aeroplane is flying in the sky, so different lights are shining. So, but it's not a star. Though I have wheels, but I am not a car. I also have wheels, but it's not a car. And it runs very fast, but it's not a cheetah. So answer is aeroplane. Write down here. Second puzzle, I cannot run on the road. I cannot fly in the air. I cannot run on the road. I cannot fly in the air. I run at lightning speed. I make sound is which vehicle? Train. Write down here, train. And last puzzle, look one and all how I play and sail on water every day. No wings to trouble, no problem I have. Which vehicle is? Boat here. Write the correct answers. Okay. In that lesson, I given 2 homework. First one is on 101 and page number 103 and 104. You have to write the correct names. Okay. So today we have completed lesson travel. Here only 3 types of vehicle: land vehicle, land transport, water transport and air transport, and different vehicles. Which vehicles? Some vehicles moving on land, some on water and some on air. Okay. Do this homework regularly, children, and try to know the spellings of different vehicles also. Okay. Thank you, children. In our next class we will continue with the whole lesson.